We all know Earth rotates itself and moves along the orbit around the Sun. Earth spins at speed of 1,670 km per hour approximately, and it rotates around the Sun with speed of 107,226 km per hour. With this speed, what if Earth stops spinning all of a sudden? What happens to us? What happens to environment on Earth? Here are the awful things that will happen. If Earth stops rotating all of a sudden, all our homes, rocks, trees and almost everything that lies on Earth will be swept away. So all these things will be moving in atmosphere like helicopters. It is similar to what happens if a moving bus stops all of a sudden. All passengers will be thrown to front end of the bus because of inertia of motion. If an object is in motion, it always tries to be in the same motion, because of which all objects on the Earth are just thrown into the atmosphere.
Second awful thing that will happen if Earth stops rotating is only half of Earth always gets the sunlight and other half will not get sunlight at all. Since first half of the Earth have continuous sunlight, this half becomes severe hot and other half of the Earth won't get sunlight at all, so it will become severe cold. So because of continuous sunlight at one side and severe cold at other side, no living being will survive at these parts. However, we might have a chance to survive certain places, where these hot and cold parts meet.
Third awful thing that will happen if Earth stops rotating is, since the Earth bulges at the poles due to centrifugal force experienced by the planet, all the ocean's water would flow towards them, leaving a massive single continent at the equator. Due to the overflowing water, several parts of North America, Europe, Asia, Australia, South America, and most of the Arctic regions would be submerged. This would leave the equatorial and tropical regions to experience drought, and the existing life, if any left, would be deprived of food and water due to lack of vegetation. Fourth awful thing that will happen is, since the ecosystem on Earth will be wiped out completely, 24-hour day and night system would be altered. A day that is equal to 24 hours now will become 6 months. Thus, there will be 6 months of daytime and 6 months of nighttime. In the daytime, the side of the Earth facing the Sun will experience fiery summers, while the side facing away from the Sun would face deadly winters. This will result in giant storms that would rage for ages. Please subscribe to this channel, share it and like it.